Hello everyone, today I will explain a map, answer some questions about places around the area. Let's begin with part 1, explaining the map. Number 1, is there any public hospital near here? Where is it? Yes, there is a public hospital near here. It is located on Jalan Martinata on the right side of the map. Number 2. Where is the National Bank of Indonesia? The National Bank of Indonesia is located on Jalan Yosudarso. It is on the right side of the Chinese restaurant. Number 3. Where is Ramayana Department Store? The Ramayana Department Store is also on Jalan Yosudarso. It is on the right side of the Chinese restaurant. Number 4. Excuse me, are there any restaurant around here? Where is it? Yes, there is a Chinese restaurant on Jalan Yosudarso. It is between the National Bank of Indonesia and Ramayana. Number 5. Can you tell me where the drugstore are? Please. Yes, the drugstore is on Jalan Martinata. It is between the railway station and the public hospital. Number 6. Can you tell me the way to the railway station, please? Sure. The railway station is on Jalan Martinata on the left side next to the drugstore. Let's continue with part 2, talking about a hobby. Number 1. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading book. Number 2. When do you usually do your hobby? I usually read book in the evening after school or work. Number 3. What do you usually do in your spare time? In my spare time, I like to write novel, listen to music, or go for a walk. Number 4. Do you do the activity very often? Yes, I read book very often, almost every day. Number 5. How often do you do the activity in your spare time? I usually read there 2-4 times a week in my free time. Number 6. Where do you usually go for recreation? I usually go to the park or the library for recreation.